Hello guys, tonight I will teach you how you can gain subscribers. If your problem is you don't have any subscribers, then watch the whole video because I will tell you step by step so you will gonna earn subscribers every day. To earn subscriber guys, you don't have just to upload videos, upload videos. No, you have to do something, and that something is I will going to teach you tonight. So let's get started. First is you have to open your YouTube, sign in your account. As you can see, I have it in here, and click on trending guys, and look for any trending videos that has a lot of views. So in my case, I will choose this one. Now what you have to do next guys is go to the comment section. Don't comment that please subscribe to my channel or sub to sub, or any comment that is related to growing up a channel guys. No, because it won't work that way. So what you are going to comment on this very popular video is a good comment, something like Stephen Curry is amazing, like if you agree, and just comment it. Now look at this comment section guys. As you can see, good comments has 1.5k, 40, 60, 234, 66. If my comment will reach at least 5 likes, 2 comments, or 4 comments, just like this one. The good thing about this comment section is that you can click in here and you are going to edit it. That's the time. If you have a lot of like and comment already because of your good comment about the video, all you have to do next is to comment something that is now related on growing your channel. Say for example is please subscribe to my channel. Comment down if you are done, and check your notification. And now all you have to do guys is to wait, because little by little someone will subscribe to your channel. That's all guys, I hope you have learned. Please subscribe to my channel guys, and please hit that notification bell so that you will be notified for the next video that I will be going to upload on my channel. Thank you for watching guys. Lifestyle.